Just gonna do a little bit of snow flow. Actually got some decent snow out here in Ohio today. So I'm out here at Fort Meigs. This is a historic war 1812 fort and stuff. I don't feel like trekking through the snow to go inside the fort today, so I'm just gonna play out here. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. And at this moment, when I said earlier I didn't want to walk in the snow to the fort, and lo and behold, I still ended up walking in the snow. So, yep, the quad survived. Everything still works. Dried it out on the floorboard in my truck, and went and did another pack. So here's that right now.